If you're planning to start a business in Kentucky, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Kentucky even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why form an LLC in Kentucky? Well, for one, you have personal liability protection and flexibility. So that means LLCs offer flexible management structures and tax options, making day-to-day operations simpler and more adaptable to your business needs. And of course, you have low business costs and strategic location. Kentucky consistently ranks as one of the most affordable states to do business thanks to low operating costs and pro-business incentives. Now, forming an LLC in Kentucky gives you all of these, which is ideal for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Next is to choose a name for your Kentucky LLC. Your LLC name must be unique and must include Limited Liability Company or LLC. You have to avoid names that imply the business or organization like bureau, bank, government without proper authority. Now, if you wanted to check the availability of your desired business name, all you have to do is very simple. Go to the Kentucky Secretary of State Business Search, enter your desired business name. If there are no matching results, your name is available. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Every LLC in Kentucky must have a registered agent because they are the one that receives the legal and government documents on behalf of your LLC and must have a physical address in Kentucky. And if you wanted to be an agent of your own, you can do that provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly recommend is use Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will do all the work for you. Now it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization with the Kentucky Secretary of State. All you have to do is visit the official website and you need to provide the LLC name, registered agent details, management structure. It depends if it's going to be like a member manage or manager manage. There is going to be a $40 fee and the processing is usually fast when filed online. Kentucky doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage, member roles, profit and loss distribution, rules for running the LLC, helping prevent disputes and keeps your business organized. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is approved, it's time to handle the state taxes and licenses. Now, first of all, you need to register with the Kentucky Department of Revenue because that sets up the important tax accounts like sales tax, withholding tax if you have employees, and any other applicable state taxes. You need to make sure that you check the local requirements. Some cities or counties require business licenses, zoning permits, or occupational taxes, so be sure to verify what applies to your location. Now, to make things easier, you can visit the one-stop business portal for Kentucky at onestop.ky.gov, where you can complete most state registrations in one place. It's very quick, simple, and you're one step closer to being fully compliant. Speaking of compliance, once your LLC is formed, staying compliant is just as important as getting started. So you need to make all of these into consideration. Number one is going to be the annual report. Of course, you need to continuously maintain your registered agent service, keep your business accurate records, and staying organized and meeting all these annual requirements will help ensure your Kentucky LLC remains compliant and protected year after year. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Kentucky. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. So it includes the service you are choosing, like LLC formation, the state where you are forming your LLC, the total cost before payment, so think of it as your checkout overview. The company section provides the basic details of your business, your LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney, and your business purpose plus your business address. This information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the management section is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you run the business, or a manager manage, which means you are hiring or someone runs the business for you. Now, if you're not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark button, because this helps you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. And if you want to add names of members or managers, you can click this button right here. The contact section is your personal contact information, like your name, phone number, and of course your business address. Northwest uses this to send filing updates, notify you of legal documents, and give you account access. Don't worry, this information is not made public. Now, the account is the section where you create your Northwest online dashboard, provide your email address, set a password, and confirm login details. Once you do that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail and legal notices, and there is an added service called Business Identity. It is a 90-day free trial that helps you establish your LLC's official identity. Now, the last section here before payment is the optional items. These are add-on services which is not required. So you can hover here and select the state, which is going to be around Kentucky. Okay. And then if you want, you can safely skip all these if you prefer to handle them yourself. Last is going to be the payment section, wherein it provides your credit or debit card details before you complete your order, review of the total costs, and of course, final confirmation before submission. Once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Kentucky, which is a smart move for entrepreneurs looking for personal asset protection, simple tax flexibility, and of course, low ongoing compliance requirements. Now, if you are comfortable handling the paperwork yourself, you can complete the process directly through the Kentucky Secretary of State because Kentucky made the LLC formation process straightforward and affordable. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.